All right, so one other thing that probably people don't know if they didn't read the manual is there is an actual, like, not just regular parking mode, but there's like a parking brake. So if you press and hold this, you see it turns into this red, and you actually hear it like lock up. So to get it back out, I am probably gonna have to push, yeah, you gotta push the brake pedal again, and then you can shift to whatever gear. I'm gonna put it back in park, and let me see if you can hear these sounds. So let me turn off the AC. And you should hear the parking brake enable. Ready? There you go. So that's the parking mode. There's another thing also, it can automatically do it. So if you're in drive and you open the door, oh, it actually didn't do it. Sometimes it does. I think if it feels the car's like rolling, then it will actually put it into the, it'll enable this parking brake. So if you press that, you hear it actually lock the parking brake. So that's interesting. Okay. Anyways, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.